quick lemon curd using whole lemons, just removing the seeds, and also using whole eggs. I went ahead and added all the ingredients right to my Vitamix and blended it up, so it was fast and easy. Added some eggs, poured in some honey, coconut oil, and a pinch of sea salt, and blended until smooth. I poured into a Pyrex pan and loosely covered with aluminum foil and baked in my steam oven. This is what the lemon curd looked, fresh out of the oven, and I let it cool for just a bit. This is after the lemon curd has cooled.